Hey, good morning. Got a funny story to share. So, I get this call from a lender this morning. He is trying to help out a mutual client of ours. We have a tenant that's in a lease purchase option, and she's ready to move forward with the option to purchase the property for the $49,900 that we all agreed upon. The problem is, this lender cannot do loans under 60K, $60,000. I said, well, I see there's a problem. He says, well, what do you think the house will appraise for? I says, well, I don't know. I'll have to run some comps, but I can probably get an answer for you pretty quickly. But where are you going with this? He says, well, if we could push the price up to 60,000, then we can do a loan for her. I says, okay, so who's going to benefit from that extra $10,000 that you're asking our client to pay for? He says, well, no, that's not it. And he started, stumbling and stuff. I says, well, I'm just trying to understand, what your angle is here. And he says, well, we can only do loans for 60 grand. So if we can get the house to appraise, then we can get her a loan for the 60 grand. I says, no, I understand that. But who's going to benefit from that extra $10,000? We're not going to take that as a profit. That's not right. I said, so you're telling me that our buyer has to be punished because you can't qualify her under a loan for the amount that she needs. Instead, you want to increase the price so you guys can get the business, and then she gets stuck paying $10,000 above what the original agreement was signed for. where are we going here with this, dude? Hello, McFly. These are lenders out here. So, my name is Jim. I'm the RealEstateExpert.Online. Thanks for joining me, folks. And I want to share something with you that you may not know. There's a lot of lenders out there that are not able to provide loans for less than $60,000. That's a big problem in a smaller market with lower prices. I mean, here in my market, in the Flint area, you can get properties for under $50,000 all day long. So that's going to be a problem for a lot of folks to try to qualify traditionally and get a lender to finance them. So here's the nice thing about it is we take that problem away. A lot of our properties we do owner financing for you. So yes, you would have to put up a larger down payment, but you can be assured that you can get the financing available that you need, and we can do it under an owner finance. So we can just take this mortgage, lender right out of the equation. But anyway, I just wanted to point that out to you. You may not know. So when you're out there shopping for a loan, just beware that all lenders are not created equal, and they may very well try to, pull an okey doke. And that's not cool, folks. That's not cool at all. So thanks for joining me. Thanks for checking in. I hope that helps. And until then, folks, make it a great day. Bye for now.